forecast coming up next.
I'm Ron Dowdy, owner of Air Temp Heating and Cooling here in Nashville. I would like to thank our WSM listeners for voting us the #1 heat and air company on the Toast of Music City. Don't let cold weather sneak up on you. Is your furnace ready for fall and winter? Call us for a preventive maintenance on your unit. For $69, we will come out and have your heating unit ready at maximum efficiency for this winter.
This is the high voltage power supply.
You're calling nationwide franchises.
This is the 5-volt supply for the filaments.
Plus, their technicians go through extensive training to sell you parts
And these are the hookups.
If your home or business is not heating properly, call us.
I'm just going directly to these transformers rather than the terminals. It just made it easier to put the alligator clips on.
Air Temp Heating and Cooling will answer your call 24 hours a day.
I didn't have to do anything to the chassis
We don't charge overtime
other than
or emergency charges for
get 2 other tubes out of an old radio I had.
replacements.
And that would be these 2 over here.
Call 248.
But the radio works fine.
Air Temp Heating and Cooling.
And right now it's set up on
To a Freedman's Army Navy
WSM. Let me turn another light on here.
Your first stop before you do anything in the Middle Tennessee outdoors, as it should be. 21st Avenue in Blair, Freedman's, the wall of carbon.
I have to turn it on over here. Oh, hang on a minute.
Bimini Bay, lightweight pants and shirts, quick dry, zip off legs, shirts with sleeves.
I got it sitting on a chair because I'm working on the cabinet downstairs, putting the new veneer on.
Year-round at Freedman's Army Navy. Your fishing headquarters, they know what they're biting, and they've got multiples of colors and weights
3 tuning
available for you,
knobs.
and some advice on where to catch them. Gift certificates always a great idea if you don't know what to buy that outdoor person on your list. Now, when it comes
And
to
you'll
camping,
see each one of them affects
your
the tuning.
headquarters there too. Portable shade, metal dishes, coolers, picnic supplies, from a tarp to a machete, from a skewer to a tablecloth.
That's the
to a
one on the
kit
right.
removal kit, your boot and shoe headquarters.
The one in the middle.
For adults and children.
And they're very touchy.
Blair, it's Freedman's Army Navy Outdoor.
The one on the end isn't so bad, the one near the antenna. But it plays. Even the grid leak was good, which is located right here. That's the grid leak for this detector tube. And the detector tube is microphonic. If you listen close, you'll hear ringing when I tap the tube. I have to get it off frequency. Hold on. No, it's not doing it. If I put it on loud, it will. There it is. It's got microphonic elements.
Take another way that you quiver when you pet. I've been thinking, thinking of the lips that I never ever get enough of. And in my thoughts you never say no.
But anyway, I got the veneer downstairs. I've been working on the cabinet, and that should be done in a couple of weeks. And it'll be ready to put in the box. And that's the speaker I was telling you about that I use, and that just has a Radio Shack output stage transformer, which is 8 ohm secondary and 10,000 ohm or 1,000 ohm primary. And the 1,000 ohm primary is what I hook the radio to. So I can run a regular speaker on the output of these old farm sets just fine. So anyway, that's the video, Carl. And give me a call if you find that any questions or anything about what I'm doing here. I mean, I'm not doing much really. Just put a couple tubes in it and hooked up my supply, and away I go. So there it is.